Best circular saws. Are you looking for the best circular saws? In this video we will look at some of the best circular saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Makita 5377 Magnesium Hypoid Saw. Unleash the power and precision of the Makita 5377 mg, a professional-grade corded worm-drive circular saw engineered to handle the toughest cutting tasks with ease. With a robust 15-amp motor and 4,500 revolutions per minute blade speed, this saw slices effortlessly through pressure-treated lumber, plywood, and even concrete for demanding construction or renovation projects. Despite its heavy-duty capabilities, the 5,377 mg is surprisingly manageable at just 13.2 pounds, thanks to its lightweight magnesium construction. The magnesium-based motor housing not only reduces weight but also delivers more consistent power than traditional worm-drive motors. The internal motor components are pre-lubricated with oil and sealed, working in tandem with a built-in fan to continuously lubricate the gears. This eliminates the hassle of manual oiling, ensuring longer tool life and smooth operation. Designed with the user in mind, the saw offers excellent blade line visibility, precise control, and ample handle space for comfort during extended use. Whether you're cutting heavy 2x10s, making precise plywood cuts, performing demolition work, or trenching concrete, this saw is up to the task. Its corded design guarantees reliable, uninterrupted power, so you'll never be caught mid-cut. Durable, powerful, and engineered for professionals, the Makita 5377 mg is the ultimate choice for anyone serious about woodworking or construction. Elevate your cutting performance and make every project faster, smoother, and more precise with this standout worm-drive saw. Number 2. Skil 15-amp corded circular saw. Experience professional quality performance without breaking the bank with the Skil 5280-2001, a versatile corded circular saw designed for accuracy, comfort, and reliability. Powered by a 15-amp motor and spinning at 5,300 revolutions per minute, this saw delivers impressive torque, effortlessly powering through framing lumber, plywood, and other construction materials with ease. At just 8.8 pounds, the Skil 5280-2001 is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for both professional builders and DIY enthusiasts. The blade depth is simple to adjust, and the shoe remains perfectly parallel to the blade, ensuring straight, precise cuts every time. Its thoughtful design provides excellent balance and comfort, reducing fatigue during extended use. Safety and convenience are also top priorities. A bright power indicator light lets you know when the tool is on, providing extra peace of mind on busy job sites. Even when fully engaging the blade for rips or crosscuts, the saw maintains smooth, consistent cutting performance with minimal resistance. Whether you're tackling framing projects, building furniture, or performing general carpentry tasks, the Skil 5280-2001 circular saw combines power, accuracy, and ease of use in one affordable package. Its compact design, strong motor, and precise cutting capability make it an indispensable tool for your workshop or job site. Upgrade your woodworking projects today with a saw that delivers professional results without the professional price. Number 3. Bosch 18V Cordless Circular Saw. Discover precision, power, and portability with the Bosch GKS 18V25 GCB14, an advanced 18V cordless circular saw designed for professionals and serious DIYers. Equipped with a 7¼ inch, 24-tooth blade and a high-capacity 8Ah battery, this saw delivers smooth, powerful cuts while remaining nimble at just 11.6 pounds, 9.5 pounds for the saw and 2.14 pounds for the battery. The GKS 18V25 GCB14 excels in accuracy thanks to its aluminum accessory track system, track sold separately. Simply place the track on your material and guide the saw along it for table saw level precision on rips and crosscuts, even for large sheets of plywood. Cutting depth is effortlessly adjustable via a thumb latch above the trigger, allowing precise blade exposure with one-hand operation for consistent, accurate results. Designed for versatility, this saw features 6 speed settings, an eco mode for light cutting, and efficient battery management that maximizes runtime while reducing fatigue. The built-in battery life readout ensures you always know how much charge remains. Whether you're tackling framing lumber, cabinetry, or plywood, the Bosch GKS18V25 GCB14 combines cordless convenience with professional-grade performance. Lightweight, easy to control, and engineered for precise, repeatable cuts, this saw is perfect for job sites and home workshops alike. Experience the ultimate balance of power, precision, and portability. Make every cut faster, smoother, and more accurate with Bosch. Number 4. DEWALT 20V Max XR Cordless Circular Saw. Take your cutting power to the next level with the DEWALT DCS590. A professional-grade cordless circular saw engineered for precision, durability, and unmatched performance. Equipped with a 7 1/4 inch, 24-tooth framing blade and capable of spinning at 5,500 revolutions per minute, this saw handles everything from standard 2x4s to thicker construction lumber with ease. One of the standout features of the DCS590 is its dual-voltage FlexVolt compatibility. Run it on a standard 20V max battery for lightweight portability, or switch to a 20/60V FlexVolt battery, sold separately, for extended runtime and the power to handle deep cuts up to 2 9/16 inches without slowing down. In testing, this saw powered through dozens of cuts without any drop in performance, delivering reliable energy for long work sessions. Comfort and control are also prioritized. The ergonomic handle design and rubberized grip reduce fatigue during extended use, while the electronic blade brake stops the blade quickly after releasing the trigger for safer operation. Precise cutting and smooth, repeatable performance make it ideal for framing, decking, and other heavy-duty tasks. Weighing just 8.2 pounds plus battery, the DCS590 strikes the perfect balance between power and portability. For anyone looking to go cordless without compromising on performance, this DEWALT circular saw delivers professional-grade results, making it a must-have for your workshop or job site. Number 5. Makita 5007 mg Circular Saw. Experience professional-grade cutting power with the Makita 5007 mg, a corded circular saw built for durability, precision, and ease of use. Powered by a 15-amp motor and spinning at 5,800 revolutions per minute, this saw effortlessly handles any piece of lumber, from 2x4s to larger framing materials, making it an essential tool for workshops and construction projects alike. The 5007 mg is crafted from lightweight magnesium, reducing fatigue during extended use without sacrificing strength or performance. At just 10.6 pounds, it offers exceptional control, while 2 onboard LED lights illuminate your cutting line, ensuring accuracy even in low-light conditions. A built-in duct dust blower keeps the line clear of sawdust and debris, allowing precise cuts every time. While this saw is corded, trading some portability for uninterrupted power, it delivers consistent performance that battery-powered alternatives can't match. Its sturdy design and robust motor make it a long-term investment that will serve both DIYers and professionals for years. Designed with both performance and user comfort in mind, the Makita 5007 mg offers precise depth adjustments, smooth operation, and reliable cutting performance for framing, decking, plywood, and more. If you're looking for a durable, accurate, and powerful corded circular saw that combines lightweight construction with professional cutting capabilities, the Makita 5007 mg is the ideal choice for your workshop or job site.